Girl, you're more beautiful than all the models in the world and way more attractive than the Victoria's Secret models, believe it. But if you love makeup on Victoria's Secret faces, don't miss this video. Hey cutie, welcome to this video. I've already applied foundation, concealer, and setting powder, so we can jump straight into the eyes. To start, I'm using a bronzer for the eyelid, just applying it along the crease to map out the color. I'll repeat this step until I reach the shade I want. Then I'll use concealer and a pressed powder to create a defined edge for the shadow, and besides the crease line we created with bronzer, I'll brighten the rest of the lid. I'm using a very light white or champagne/shimmery gold shade on the lid. You want to use quite a bit of shimmer so the eyes look bold and captivating. I'll draw a fairly soft line with a brown eyeliner. Curl lashes and apply mascara. I'm applying a pink blush to the cheeks. I'll line the lips with pink and apply pink lipstick. And add highlighter to my cheeks. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time.